Welcome to the Cine Genix AI training video series. This tutorial will show you how to create a video from a blog URL in Cine Genix AI. Choose Blog to Video. Here you can create videos from a blog URL. Just add blog URL. Now choose ratio of your video, language, and duration of your video. Click on Generate and your video will be open in Video Editor. Here you can customize your video.
You ready to take your AI game to the next level? DeepSeek, the viral AI company, has just released its groundbreaking Genix Pro.
You can enable or disable animation.
Are you ready to take your AI?
You can add background music to your video. Click on Export and your video will be ready. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. Here you can view your video.
Are you ready to take your AI game to the next level? DeepSeek, the viral AI company, has just released its groundbreaking Genix.
Share your video on social sites. You can rename your project. Thanks for watching the video.